They made us laugh in the 90s, but somehow they never really left us. In 1994, Friends became more than a TV show. It became a memory, a comfort, and a piece of pop culture that millions still carry today. Now, we're going back to where it all began, to see the cast of Friends then and now in 2026. From Rachel, Ross, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Chandler, to the unforgettable faces who made Central Perk feel like home. Some of them changed with time, and some are no longer with us, but their laughter, their scenes, and their legacy will never fade. Watch until the end, because these transformations will bring back memories you forgot you had.